Hey, good morning, everybody who is here. Hello, brother. Hello, Mr. Dot JVC. Good afternoon. How are you? I'm good. How are you? How's everyone doing? Good morning, Z. How are you? Dava. Sonja. Son, everybody. Hey. Yeah, I see, Sonja. You just joined the premium, right? For 2 weeks. Okay. All right. Sharon Jesse. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Anyways, the 101 sessions will open from 17 June. Okay. Market. Yes, it's slow. It's at this point you shouldn't be surprised that why it's slow. Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Just remember. Good morning, Greg. Good morning. But Rick, 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 you remember you marked the zones? You see how the price is trapped between those two zones? Where some people say the FVGs and some people says the order blocks and all that. But overall, the market is literally stuck between those two zones. You see. And this is not just me, this is everybody from the premium. You witness this, right? The zones we marked, the price is stuck in this zone, basically, right? And you guys should also know, the longer the price stays in the zone, the bigger the breakout, the bigger the breakout, right? So right now market is just waiting for something big happen. M by Sport, hello. Hey, hello, what's up? How you doing? Where is my blocker? Where is the blocker? Hey Kitty, good morning, good morning. Kitty is here. She's like, I'll take care. How you doing, Kitty? And where have you been, girl? Good job. Hello. How are you, brother? I'm okay. Mm, just okay. All's good. I've been sleepy lately. Yeah, yeah. Good. Mark is here. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Try to break out at New York session. Trying to bring. Now tell me, guys, what can you do in this range? Right? Just wait. Maybe you need to wait for tomorrow's CPI, and then after that, oof, that's going to be why. Why? Because market has been very slow for the past 2 days, Mondays and Tuesdays, right? So on Wednesday, when there is going to be the CPI, that's where the more fun is going to be. And then there is PPI and then consumer sentiments. So even 5 minutes, it looks like it's just barcoding. You know, it's dry, so dry. How's NQ doing? I think we should start trading NQ now. But it is the same, little bit better, I would say, just little bit better. Bitcoin is still there, nothing. Morning, everyone. Hey, Jared. Good morning. I need help with how to have a better entry with this type of range. Number one thing, my friend, it's better to stay away from this type of range because instead of making more money, you will eventually end it up being into the drawdown for long times. Okay. And the other thing is, yes, there are ways how you can trade this range by following supply and demand patterns. Kitty, everybody's ready for CPI. Today also news. What news? What kind of news today? That is what news you talking about, my friend? Hey, thanks for the heart. Me, guys, the new people and old people. Make sure whenever you show up, fill up the heart me. Okay, target. I know some people just forget. So, good morning. Hey, good morning. Thanks. Fill up the freaking gallery. Actually, thanks to the break-in, he filled up the gallery might not the heartbeats. Gave our heart me a new look. Mm. I like the music. Yeah, that's why I'm playing for you. Yeah, what's up, Kitty? Miss Jessica. Yeah, Kitty, everybody miss you. They miss you more than me. Why don't you come on the call and help your fans here and tell them you are doing all right? You too, FX. It's like, okay, okay, you too, FX, you too. All right, all right.
Good morning.
Meow, meow.
Meow.
Why you sleepy? Sleepyhead? Come on, wake up.
I don't want to wake up.
Time to wake up. Time to make some. Time to make or lose some money.
I'm so tired. I have to turn on my tapper. Tap tap. I'm sorry, but how are you guys doing?
Everybody is all right. Everybody is now starts trading the range here. We are range traders now. Meow. Your cat knows I'm here.
Mm-hmm.
Like, basically, she's saying, I miss you, FX. I miss your voice.
Oh my gosh.
How do I know this bullish or bearish with CPI? When the news come, show up here. I will teach you live. Okay. Hey, Asif. Good morning, Asif.
Good morning, Austin. What?
Huh. Show up like it's like, yeah, we miss her voice.
Hmm?
These people miss your voice.
Uh, I need coffee.
Yes, me too. I'm just gonna wait 10-15 more minutes and then I'm gonna get
You're gonna get coffee?
it. Yes. When do you wake up?
Hmm. I woke up like 2 hours ago and I'm still not awake.
Mm.
My dog fell down the steps today and she hurt one of her nails.
Ah,
I've been dealing with that all morning.
yeah. Anybody else needs coffee from the chat?
You need to make a coffee gift.
Mm. How?
I don't know. Reach out to TikTok.
Yeah.
uh, it's been so hot and gloomy and raining and oh.
I'm telling you, you guys either need to move to Cali or Arizona. Best weather. Best. Asif is like me. Already on my second cup. Holy, holy, holy.
Asif? Oh my gosh. Oh, the Holy One.
Yeah, I'm in shorts now, and three, 4, 3, 4, 2 gold risky, but 1 hour flip after the 4 hour flip. So flip, Mr. Sparks. Yeah, Mr. Sparks. So yeah, I read your message in the Discord, right? So I want to explain this to you on the live. It would be better instead of typing. So you ask about the Lucid Flex Pro or the direct account, right? Okay, you're coming on a call. Okay, even better. Hello.
Hello,
Hey, how you
how you
doing?
going?
Good, good.
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. So what's your question about the
Um, just what would be the best type of account for us? I've never done a funded account before,
mm-hmm.
so I was having a look through the options. Let me have a look. Let me pull that up right now. Sorry. And I mean, some of them have something called the 20% consistency rule um for the direct, and then the others don't, and I'm a little bit confused. Like, which one do we
So
start with?
so do you know the difference between direct and the other two accounts?
The only thing that really stood out for me was that the direct, well, the flex needs an evaluation, whereas the direct, you don't need an evaluation,
Yeah,
but it has a consistency
yeah.
rule at 20%.
Mm-hmm.
Does that mean that I've got to be 20% consistent, or does that mean I've got to be
Do,
80%
you don't
consistent?
you don't have to worry about consistency rule. You don't have
For
to
the
worry about.
direct, you do, I think.
Yes, I know it's said, but that's what I'm saying. You don't have to worry about.
Mm,
That rule is basically is to make confusion. Right now you're confused by looking at it, right? And it will restrict your trading. Like the consistency rule, do you have the idea how it works?
no, I don't have an idea. If you could explain to me.
Okay, just a sec. Yeah. So let's say you make $1,000 over the 5 days, right? 5 days period,
Mm,
and after that you can apply for the payout. So 20% means like the total amount you're gonna make in the 5 days, right? It cannot go above the 20%, which is $200 for $1,000, right? So if you go above $200 in one single day, then you are not gonna be eligible. But here's the catch. What you can do here, you can increase your days, right? So there are multiple things you can do here. The one thing you can do is like, let's say if you find a very good opportunity, let's say on the Friday when gold pushed down literally almost 100 and
mm-hmm,
like 1,500 2,000 ticks down, right? If you get that move, right, and you let's say make $4 or $5,000 on day one, right, and now your consistency rule is to the moon, right? So what you can do is just increase some days instead of thinking about taking the payout in 5 days. You can go like, now you have a very good buffer in your account, right? So you can start trading from 5 days to maybe like 10 days 15 days, but this is for sure you're gonna get the payout because number one thing, you why people get the direct account first of all, because evaluation, it's going to, it's a long road, right? So if you want to save money or you want to save time, but what I see in the long run, let's say you need to blow at least maybe 1 2 3 evaluation accounts to get the funded stage, right? So if you're getting
mm,
into direct one, you're basically skipping that road, you're skipping that time, and you are now funded direct, I mean straight to direct accounts, like funded accounts. You don't have to worry about the valuation. The other thing is like stop looking at the consistency rule. You can always increase the days, no matter if you make more than 20%. The more days you're going to increase, that will starts pushing it down, because your total amount of profit on those days will divide it by your trading days. So if it's higher, nothing to worry about, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say I made $5,000 like we did on a Friday,
Mm-hmm.
and then the come the following Monday, like today, let's say I made a small loss, and then
Okay.
the day after or for the next week, I didn't make more than $1,000 for the week. What
Mm-hmm.
happens then? Do I have to just keep increasing the days until it balances out?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm,
So
okay.
you see, on the first day you make 5,000, then the next day you lose, and then you start making money again. So what they're gonna do, like, I- they're gonna basically see your total amount of balance. Let's say you make $10,000 in maybe 10 days or 20 days, right? So they're gonna see, okay, this is your total amount of balance you make, and now they're gonna see how many days you traded, right? So then that's gonna be divided with that days, and they're gonna see with the percentage, okay, is it also on your dashboard. You can see it, it will update real time, so you can also see like what is your current consistency rule.
Mm, okay.
Yeah,
All right. That
yeah,
makes it easier.
yeah. But there's one thing. If you
Yeah.
you said this is your first time with the program, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So why don't you first check it out in the eval, like how the platform works, how proform works, and all that. Try it maybe for a few days. If you build the confidence, if you understand how the things work, then you can go with the direct
Uh,
as well.
yeah,
Just
yeah, fair enough.
yeah,
I understand what you're saying.
yeah,
The way I look at it is like it's like what, $200 for a direct.
yeah,
I mean, it's not that much to risk. Let's just do it. I put more than that
yeah, yeah. I mean,
in my own personal account, so who cares?
yeah, how long have you been trading?
6 months.
6 months. Okay. So yeah, that's a good point though, because most people they're like, I don't wanna waste my time in the evaluation and all that, right? The other thing is, you see the, let's say if you get the 150 get direct, right?
Mm.
You will get $3,000. Basically, you have the, you're paying them, I think 420, because right now they're 50% off. So you're gonna pay $420, and you're gonna get 5,000 worth of equity to play with, even
Yeah,
though
that's
it's a,
how I was looking at it.
yes,
Like
yes,
it's a good deal for me because
it's
if I
it
put 4,000 of my own money, or if I put $400 and get $4,000 out of it, well, I
yes,
think that's the better deal.
yes. Now think like this, right? So if you have $5,000 your personal capital, if you blow it, you blow $5,000, right?
Yes.
If you get the direct one, for example, right, 150, right, you'll get the drawdown for the $5,000, and
Hmm.
you, all you have to spend is what, 420, right? So you have one, I mean, two, three, almost what, 10 chances, something like that, right? more
Yeah.
than more than 10 chances you can get that, like. And yeah, I know you're not gonna blow it in one day, of course it will take some time to blow it.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Maybe.
yeah, maybe, but who knows, but you see, now you basically protect your capital this way,
Yeah.
right? You're not worried about stressing about, oh, I'm losing 2,000, 3,000, $5,000. No, you're only gonna lose $420. That's it.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
your max loss. But the gain is unlimited. The sky is the limit, right?
Mm, mm.
So that's a good way. Yeah,
Okay, I think I'm gonna
yeah,
go direct.
yeah. Also, do you trade on the phone or on your PC?
No, no, I don't trade on the phone. I used to when I first started, and then I just realized every time I traded on the phone, I blew my account. Like it was just within like, the day, like less than a day, I would just blow the account. So I
Yeah,
just made it a rule.
yeah,
I will never ever trade on a phone ever
yeah,
again.
yeah. Okay, so
Yeah.
because when you check out, they offer you two main platforms where people trade. So are you familiar with the trading view?
Yeah,
Or
I'm like the master of trading view right now.
okay, well, so you use trading view for the trade or
Yeah, I use trading view to
hmm,
execute everything.
okay, because if you want to do the copy trading, the issue with the trading view is you cannot do the copy trading. Are you familiar with the copy trading, right? How we trade?
I've heard you speak of
Yeah,
copy trading.
yeah,
I get the idea.
yeah.
Yeah.
So for example, if you get one this Lucid Direct account, right? So how we do it, like basically we get the five of them and we copy each of them. But first you need to start with the one, have some
Mm.
experience, see how it works and all that. Once you gain some experience in it, then yes, you can buy five of them, right? Lucid Directs. You can start
Hmm.
copy trade them, and whatever you're gonna make in one account, it will literally multiply with the five. So you
Yeah.
have basically
And
like
whatever I'm gonna lose in one account, I'm gonna lose in the others too.
absolutely yes,
Okay.
absolutely.
Yeah.
It's gonna do the same exact, gonna take the same exact trades on the other accounts as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
All right. That makes sense.
yeah. All right.
All right.
Yeah,
Thank you for that.
yeah.
Appreciate
No
it.
worries.
I'm gonna go direct. Give that a go,
Mm-hmm.
and then go from there. My problem in trading is not like generally I'm correct. Right. Remember this morning I said to you, I feel like it's bullish. It's looking like it's very bullish, and here we go. We went up. Generally, my trading direction is correct. My problem is that um, if it does go wrong, like I don't know how to get out. I get to a point where where I almost feel like it's too late to get out, and I just hang on to hope that it's going to turn back and just give me break even, and then it blows my account. I just got to get my psychology right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Most of the time, you're gonna see that you are right about the trade, but the issue comes with the entries. Like most
Mm.
traders, like let's say they're expecting this the push up, right? And they were right about it. But let's say they take a buy here, but the price push down, take them out, and then starts pushing it up. So that's why I say wait for the confirmation, right?
Mm.
Yesterday in the Asian session, the trade hits the SL, right? Why? I mean, it is kind of like my confirmation, but at the same point, you see this hourly closure. This is where we took the buys, right? If you remember it, right? If it gives a closure right below the zone, that is a very good setup. That's why I use the flexible risk, but I didn't add any position. That's why I was keep saying once this hourly starts breaking the previous lows, the previous hourly lows, that's where I'm planning to add more positions, but that
Mm.
never happened, right? The other thing you need to watch for is the volume, right? When the market is dead like this, like it's just ranging, it's really hard to take the trades. It's very tough. But when the market is like going in the smooth one direction, giving the volume and pushing in the one side, that is very predictable, very
Yeah.
easy. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, most of the times you're gonna be right, but you need to make it, your executions are better. How you do it, just wait for the confirmations. That's it. If you
Yeah.
see it, take it. If you don't see it, okay, that's fine. I can come back next session. Market
Mm.
is going nowhere, right? Most people they're like, oh, this is the last day of the trading, then the world is ending. No, my friend, the world is here, the trading is here, the stock market is here, the IPOs are here, so don't worry.
No, no, I understand that. I
Yeah,
get it.
yeah, yeah.
I get it. Yeah, no, it's just like I said, when that one trade does go wrong, and instead of me cutting it and just, you know,
Hmm.
I was wrong. That's it. Just cut it. Just doesn't matter. And I just hold it. I don't know why. I get like almost paralyzed. I'm just waiting for it to
It's
come back.
okay. So, okay, before getting like, let's say you start your day. you start marking your zones and you're looking at the charts and okay, you're like do, this is the buy, this is the sell, I'm waiting for it, for this and that, and okay, I'm gonna take some for example sell position here, right? It's ranging, it touched the that supply zone and all that. Okay, now you done your analysis, you done everything like with a clear mindset, right?
Mm.
Price starts ranging here, right? Now price starts pushing down, then price
Mm-hmm.
go back up, right? And you see
Mm-hmm.
it's going up, and price also gives a closure above this zone.
Mm-hmm.
You put your SL. If you remove your SL from here, what's going to happen? You
You're
are
gonna get wrecked.
basically exposing yourself to the market. Okay, take whatever I have, I don't care, right? And market will take it, trust me. No matter if you have $100 account, 1,000 or 10,000 or $1 million account, it will take it all.
Mm.
The the mindset you have before taking the trade is the clear mindset. It's very different after you get into the trade, and then you will get the mind fog, like brain fog, if you familiar with
Yeah.
that term, right? Then you stop thinking, then you starts getting having reactions on emotion base, right? Now you're
Yeah.
attached with the money, and that's where most, I don't say most, I would say all the traders still have to go through with, have to deal with it, because money, this is what we're trading, it's money. And money is the most emotional or sentiment thing in the world right now, right? We need money for everything, and then we start thinking about, okay, I'm negative 200, 400, 5,000, 2,000, 5,000, because when it moves down, we start thinking, I'm up for $500, I'm up $2,000, I can get a new bag, I can go for the vacation, I can pay for my kids fee and all those things, right? So we are so much emotionally attached, so when the things go the other way, we don't want to deal with it, and
Yeah.
we're like, like, but you will amaze, closing this position, you also gonna have it's also painful, but that pain you basically ended up, so you need to choose, either you wanna cut your finger or your whole hand,
Yeah.
right? So there are
Yeah.
some
Yeah.
things, yeah, there are some things uh, you can try to like think before getting into the trade, right? How, like, you need to be very very specific, like, okay, this is what I'm targeting, this is what I'm looking, if the things don't go my way, I better be out, and those
Yeah.
plans need to be made before getting into the trade. If you think,
Yeah.
yeah, like what I do usually, like, I don't put my stop loss, right? Even in the yesterday trade, right? So I was here and I said my stops are 43.56, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because sometimes market push up creates a top, a bigger wick, stop hunt, right, and then starts pushing down. So I use mentally stops most of the time, but the new traders or traders like who are too emotionally attached with the charts, like they can do it right now, especially like first few years. No, you cannot do it. You must place your stops physically on the charts, right? So there are some ways you can adjust those, right? The other thing you can do, if you're familiar with the fixed or flexible risk, right? So let's say you are planning to take sell position here, right? And you, I mean, you start with the five. Usually you get like the 10 contracts, 15 contract position size. So you can just take like three contracts just to see how it works, right? If it drops,
Mm.
well, you make money. If it starts pushing it up, right? And you see, okay, there are still chances for the price to go down, the same way what I was doing here, right? I was waiting for it to break it. I was I take the 10 contracts sell position here, and I was planning to enter maybe add 10 or 20 contracts more after it starts breaking this, because that's where the more confirmation you're gonna get, and I want to take the full advantage of it. So
Yeah.
yeah, if you're been in the market for the 6 months, you're still very new. I consider 1 to 3 years you are very beginner to the market, so you need a lot more to learn. Okay, so and
Mm.
I'm also gonna open the one-on-one sessions on the from the 17th. Okay, so you can book that
Okay.
and whatever, because there are some other things we can discuss on the one-on-one which we cannot speak in publicly. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, don't worry.
Easy. All right.
Yeah,
Thanks.
take care, man, take care. Sir, who are you? Mr. 02033. Sir, who are you? You tell me. Somebody comment, who are you? I think he wants to say, how are you? Habibi, where were you? Habibi, I was here. Where were you? Okay, hey, recovery. Okay, that topic is over now. Forget about it. Sir, do you mind explaining how you mark the zones, please? Yes, I can explain you. Don't worry. What's up? Hey, Teza, the firefighter. Why short? There's no short. That was just for the example. Good morning, Ayub. Good morning. Good morning. So yeah, Gay, how you doing? No more recovery for you. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna go. 480. What? 851. What does that mean? Mr. 2033. What are you asking? Long or short? Definitely both ways. You know what you should do? You can buy from here and sell from here, and just wait for it. Hedge your positions and close your eyes, and soon enough you can blow. All right, I'm gonna go get the coffee. Okay, I'll be back.
I'm making coffee too, but I'm gonna take you guys with me. Make sure you guys tap the screen, share the live. We only have one share. That's crazy. Share the live. Just hit copy link when you share. Oh my God. Yeah. Do the things of the things of the things. I miss you guys. Oh, I'm sorry. I've been kind of. Listen, these past 2 weeks, AFX has been gone, and I've been with VIP. Woo, that was fun. We had fun. We had a lot of fun. If you missed it, get your VIP pass. We had fun. We had fun. Every day. Not one day was boring. Even when we were sitting there waiting. Asif, that's a funny guy. Very fun. And Reese. Reese is a funny guy too. If you guys don't follow them, follow them. They're funny. Tap the screen, share the live. Tap, 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 tap. We still have one share. I miss you, Mark. Are you in VIP? Where were you? For like 2 weeks. You were out. Wait, my coffee. What kind of coffee you guys like? I like the Dunkin' Donuts. Dunkin' Donuts hazelnut coffee. I'm a big fan of hazelnut. I'm not a big fan of like anything else. Giveaway. I don't think he's gonna do the giveaway. I think he's trying to get his niche back. You're not in VIP, Mark? Oh my God. We had so much fun. Oh my gosh. Got to get to know each other and everything. They got to talk to my babies. All kinds of stuff. We was like really like a family in there, you know? Sucks you went in there. I'm gonna use my Ninja today because I don't want to use the Nespresso. I don't want to use that today. We had so much fun. Like, I'm mad you weren't in there. You would have had a lot of fun in there, literally. We were just in there every day for like 2 weeks, just chilling, you know? Kitty, can you say that again? Dunkin' Donuts, my daily shot too. Oh my God, yes. Dunkin' Donuts hazelnut. Oh, with a shot of espresso. Babe, listen, hear me out. Listen, okay? Oh, listen. I love my Dunkin' Donuts hazelnut. It's like nothing else. I tried Tim Hortons. It was kind of gross. I tried Colombian. I really didn't care for it too much. I was almost to give away every day. Oh. It's nice. That's nice. I usually get the what is this? Hold on. This is espresso roast. I usually put like a shot of that in there. Do I need that today, y'all? I think I do. I really think I need a shot of espresso today. I'm like all the way out of it. I've been drinking peppermint tea too. Oh my God. It's just been putting me to sleep. I'm sorry if it's a little loud. I have to pack my espresso shot. Sorry. But yeah, I've been like really tired, you guys. You guys wore me out in there. Gosh. Maybe that's what it is. VIP. It was nice though. I loved it. Where's my favorite? Where's Mina? Where's my favorite girl? I have like a coffee shop in my house. This is crazy. Maybe I need to stop drinking coffee. Oh my gosh. Great. I like my coffee Americano. I tried the Americano, Asif, but I don't know. It's just something about it. I don't know. Something about it. I used to love them too when I was in high school. I used to love my Americano, but recently though, I don't really care for them anymore. I don't really do it. Like, I be trying sometimes. I really do. I really do. But it's just like a different. Now I got into the realm of hazelnut and all kinds of stuff like that. I just don't. It's really not my thing anymore. All right, I have to mute because my espresso machine is like really loud. Anybody who has an espresso machine, you know what I'm talking about? Sorry. It's like really loud. It's like a motor or something. I don't know. I can get this in here. Okay, there we go. Lock it. You might know what I'm talking about. It's about to get loud, so I'm gonna mute. These people are asking for giveaways, but ain't nobody tapping the screen. Ain't nobody like sharing the live out. Ain't nobody doing none of that. But y'all want to give away. This is ridiculous.
Who's asking for giveaway? First of all, let's block him.
Rizwan,
Oh,
I think this is
definitely. Yes, Rizwan, you
block 24 hours. Let's go.
Okay, let's how many likes you have? Yeah, 10K. All right. After 100K, after 100K, let's do the giveaway. Okay. If we get 100K likes, we can do the giveaway.
You want to see something funny? I just want to make you laugh real quick. Hold on a second. This is my dog. He's laying on my couch. This is what I come to. Why is he laying on my couch like this? He's just chilling like, hey, mom.
Resting.
Right? Just resting his little eyes out.
Yeah.
He's not the one that fell off the steps this morning, though. It was someone else. It was Hazel, my German.
How many dogs you have? Yeah.
I just have 2 dogs. 2 dogs. 2 dogs, 2 cats. 2 dogs, 2 cats.
Now I say 100K likes for the giveaway. Now these people like
Yeah, they're like, nah.
No, they will do it. Whoever, especially Mark and Rizwan, they will get us to the 100K.
My tapper isn't working either, so you guys gonna have to do this on your own.
Yeah, definitely. They have to do it. If they want the giveaway, they have to do it. They have to do something. The break-in is missing today. Break-in the blocker.
I got a shot of espresso. Hopefully that can wake me up.
Wow, what an amazing price action in the market, right, Kitty? Yeah, what a great day.
I still see sells. I don't see buys at all.
Yes.
I know a lot of people want the market to flip, but
I would not say missing. Hey, break-in.
Breaking the block.
Yes, welcome.
Don't piss him off. He'll block you.
Navjot Singh, I watched your live for 400 minutes. Congratulations. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. How you doing? Anyone here in the chat from Chicago? So guys, I'm gonna be traveling from 12 to 16, so on 12, but this time we're gonna do continue because I have
I'll be traveling too on that time. So You better do your lives.
No, I will do it because right now I'm just going to Chicago. That's it. So not out of country. So it will be easier for me to carry the things, do it.
You're coming up north. I'm going down south. We'll be passing each other in the airport.
Sure.
Like, what's going on?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. So Friday is going to be the as usual, same thing, but Monday, Tuesday. On Monday, we're gonna do the same thing. On Tuesday, 16th, that's where. Let me check the flight times. If it's early, then maybe if even if we missed it, I think we're gonna just miss maybe one session. Hello AFX. Hey, what's up, Amir? How you doing? Guys, where are the heart meat? We need 5 more. Come on. Yeah, I think we will be fine because my flight from Chicago to here is at 4.
4 a.m.
Yeah. No PM.
And you'll get to Chicago when?
On Friday.
I know. When will you get to Chicago?
The flight is around 2. It's
2 a.m. or 2 p.m.?
2 p.m.
So wait, you leave.
It will be 5 p.m. Eastern time, so it's fine.
Okay.
But the Asian session at that time I will be. But there's Friday. There's no Asian session on Friday. Stupid.
Oh yeah, that's right. Wow.
That was a random, right?
What? Oh my god. Stupid.
Do you teach how to yeah, this guy asked
you got VIP?
Let me give you a small review or small explanation how to mark our zones, right? Actually, we should call Mr. Rick on the call and he will explain it to you as well if he wants to, of course.
I don't even know who that is.
The Reckless Reese.
Oh, Reckless Reese. Oh, that's Rick? That's his name?
I mean, I call him Rick though. There's another Rick, Ricardo, Brown Rick. So many Ricks in the chat.
Okay.
Later, wait 2 minutes. Let's see Reckless if he wants to come and tell you how we do it.
I'm not explaining that. They need to come in VIP. That's VIP right there. VIP.
Okay, I think maybe Reckless Ray. He might be not in the chat right now. Okay. Okay, just small explanation how we do it. The one thing I know you want me. Okay, the one thing you need to do, go look left, right? Go look left and see what happened here. So you see this line, you see this line, this line, what you see, why we marked it, we look at the left and see what price do. Either price rejects, push down, then go up, reject, go down, reject, go down, reject, go down, right? So we identify this one. Okay, we see so many times 1 2 3 4 price keep rejecting this zone. Now what about this line or this zone, right? Price touch it, push up, touch it, push up, touch it, push up, touch it, range between these two. And sometimes, yes, price gonna touch it and starts breaking it. But you need to identify where the price reacts most of the time. Either it gives a big breakout from those zones or touch it and starts pushing it down, right? This is how you mark your zones. Very easy, very simple. You can, on the weekly sessions, what we do, we mark on the weekly, we start with the weekly candles, okay, because with the bigger perspective, to have the bigger perspective about the markets. But when we do sessions or daily charts, we do it session to session, right? So for example, we come up to new session in NY session and we mark the zones on the Asian session. So what we do now, we can adjust the zones. Why? Because now the market have this new data, right? And we need to adjust the zones according to that, because that story is old but it's still valid. But if you adjust some zones in the future or in the present market condition, that would be ideal for you. Very it will help you a lot. You can also just keep it the old zones, because you're gonna see how, like, you will amaze, like, to see like the market, how it just touch those zones and respect those zones so many times. Let me know if you have question later. First of all, also tell me how long you've been trading and what strategy you trade.
Hi, MK. How are you? Mina! Mina, Bina, Bina.
I'm in the
Mina,
live. I
Bina,
just said
Bina. Mina, Bina, Mina. She's my favorite. I like her hair.
Okay, Mina's in the Discord.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still learning now, 3 months. Okay, 3 months, you're still very but it's a good thing that you come here to this live, because you're not gonna see us saying, oh, this is the AMDs, this is the XYZs and all that. No, just simple. Mark the zones, wait for the price, wait for the volume, wait for the confirmation, take that execution. That's it. Easy peasy. I have a question, but this the zone would need to check from session, daily, hourly, and 30 minutes, or just one thing like 1 hour. It's okay. Good question. You should check. It would be the more you. Okay. So what you need to do here, try to align these zones with the higher and the lower time. So right now, this is 15, right? You see, it is kind of aligned with the 15. Look at the 30. It is kind of aligned with the 30. Look at the 1 hour. Same thing. 4 hours. Same thing. Daily. Of course, daily and weekly, that's a different animal. But 4 hour, from 15 minutes to 4 hours. Go with like as much as you can, like align those charts between 15 to 4 hours, right? If you don't, that's still fine, but it would be very, very ideal to do it. Okay. Hello, still learning, 1 year plus. Okay, welcome. An hour plus. Okay. Yeah, 1 year. Yeah, you. What strategies you've been trading?
It shouldn't range during NY.
Mm,
It should be the last one, maybe.
yeah, 20 more minutes since the NYSE opens.
Mhm. It ranged all last night, so.
Have you traded London session or no?
I gave up on it for a minute because it keeps ranging. Like, maybe I will during CPI. I don't know.
Yeah.
It keeps ranging though. It's going back to its regular scheduled program.
We always look the 1 hour chart to enter. No. I use multiple time frames. It depends on the market. Yeah, but the lowest I'll go is 15. It's been touching that zone and come back to range. It's like this box right now where we catch it. I think we should start trading 1 minute chart, right, Kitty? Or 30 seconds, 1 minute or 30-second traders.
That's scary. No. Never. What's that?
I tried CRT, but it doesn't seem to work always in your life. Yeah, just come here, ask questions. You're gonna learn a lot. 10 trades per session. Yeah, if that's normal for you, that's fine. It's not over trading. Like, I used to trade maybe more than 10, like I would say maybe 20, 30, 50 trades per session. So, but that was normal for me because I was trading 1 minute, 5 minutes, and taking buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, and in the end, just blow my account. So, what's the point? Just come to session, look for 1 or 2 good opportunities, take it, call it a day, come back next day, repeat the process. That's it. All you need in the market is just to build a strategy which you can replicate every single session. That's it. That's all you need to do, right? But if you're taking so many trades each session, you're not even gonna remember it, okay, what you do last week. But I remember that exactly what trade I took it in the Asian session right here, right? And where it take me out, right here, right? Why I remember this? Because I just take the one entry. That's it. But if I'm taking buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, I don't remember it right. And if you don't review your previous trades, how you can improve your future trades? Who wants to trade 1 minute? Yeah. King. Yes, King. Hey, what's up? What is up, Mr. J. Williams?
Hey, Jay. Good morning.
Kitty is enjoying her tunes, the
Oh,
lo-fi music, right?
lo-fi, yes. Now my tapper working. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No tapper. Let these people do the hard work.
You want me to stop tapping?
Yeah, if they need the giveaway, if they want to get the giveaway, they need to do some work, right?
Okay, I turned it off.
Okay, prices starts pushing down as NYSE is about to open in 10 minutes. Let's see if it starts breaking. You see my cute little blue line. If it starts breaking below this, but overall the price is still in this range, guys. You can look for sells, but careful. Control your anxiety when you are trading. How long you been trading? Anar? What's your name? Anar. 5. Let the trade play out on its own. But Jay, you know it's very tough. Her question is very valid, especially when you're starting out and you see your PNL up down. Like it is, you'll get so much anxiety and all that. So I know people say, oh, you need to detach yourself from the money and all that and from the charts, but it's tough. I've been through that stage. I know it's very tough. You, no matter how much you avoid it, you don't want to look at it, but you still want to look at it. You still want to see your PNL going up and down. 1 year plus. Okay, how you can control your anxiety? Lower your lot size. Go to the comfortable zone. So let's say right now you are trading with the 10 contracts, right? Do it half and see how you feel. If you still feel that anxiety or that uncomfortable zone, reduce that as well. From 10 to go 5, 5 to go 2, and then you need to find your normal zone, your normal level, right, where you will not feel too much attached with it. Why you start feeling all these anxieties and all that? Because most of the time you do over leverage, or you go like you're taking the risk which you're not willing to take it, and that's where all these things comes up. Oh, it's going up, it's gonna blow my account. Oh no, it's going, PNL is going up and down so quickly, and those numbers you're not used to with those numbers, right? So first you need to build a routine, or what you say, desensitize yourself, like by looking those PNL numbers. So I don't know what's your numbers. Maybe it's $100 PNL, $1,000, $10,000, $5,000 PNL, right? So first you need to keep that way. For example, Kitty, when she started with the micros, right? Now she's a pro with the GCs, pro of the pros. Okay, so she started with 200, 300, 500, and she's screaming. She's like, oh, I'm up, I'm down. Now everybody here witnessed this. Now if she's up like 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, $5,000, she's fine. Why? Because it's step by step, it's stages. So you need to, first of all, you need to find your comfortable contract size. Then you need to find your comfortable PNL number, and after that it will take it easy. Like if you're just starting out trading and you're seeing $1,000 up and down, and you're only making from your job 1,000, right? And now you start comparing those numbers, and when you see in a big drawdown 1,000, you're comparing those numbers with that, and that's where you're triggering more emotions. You cannot eliminate everything, all the emotions from you, because this is how human body works. We work, right? We are too emotionally attached with everything, either our relationship, either our financials, with our partner, family, all the things, right? So what you can start doing it, just try to learn, calm yourself or tame your emotions. Baby daddy morning. Hey morning, what's up? Hey friend. What's up, what's up? And when people do one-on-one with me, that's where they're most struggling nowadays, like emotions, psychology, and all those things, right? So it everybody is been through. If you think, oh no, this is just you and all, no, everybody have to go to the same journey. It's the same bumpy road for all of us, but some of them reach to the destination way quicker. There is, you need, and you also need to know that there is no just one finish line in trading. So for example, if you're trading with the props, your first payout, yes, that would be amazing. That's, oh, you're like, "Ah, I got it, and soon enough you grow that account, right? And then it takes you months to recover and get back on the funded stage, right? Why? Because trading is not just one finish line, it's constant learning. Every single day, every single month, you just keep grinding, because market, it never stays the same. Market is just keep evolving every single session, or at least there are some seasons in the market. You know, there's summer, winter, autumn, all spring, like all these seasons. Same with the market. So right now the market is in the winter season. Like Friday, if you go to the smaller picture, so for example Monday, Tuesday, right now we're in the winters. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's going to be a sunny day for us. It's going to be a very good, everybody's gonna make money, everybody's happy, volume in the market. So yeah, but you need to understand this, how it works, how the cycles work, because you're gonna see like during, especially during the COVID times, when there's a cryptocurrency bull run, like so many people, they make bunch of money, right? But after a while, when the price starts pushing down and dropping, where did they go? Everybody's going to vanish. Why? Because that was a new money for them. They blew it all. They have no risk parameters. Like whatever they make, they just spend on the stupid things, like they're buying cars and watches and all that, and they start thinking, oh, they're gonna make the same amount of money. Meanwhile, they got lucky, and after the market drop, or they get out the money, now they're vanished. They're back to their 9 to 5 or 5 to 9s. If you have less than 3 years experience, you should still consider yourself a new trader, because you didn't see those cycles. Because every 3 to 4 years, market gives you a huge opportunity, plus it will switch from bullish to bearish, bearish to bullish. Like you need to see those cycles first to call yourself, okay, I'm a pro trader. Okay, if you don't see those things, then keep it up. This song doesn't suit your personality. Which song? I don't even know what's playing at the back. Mr. 2033. Okay, I can change it for you. It was the one before this. It's okay. Yeah, I wasn't listening it, man. I wasn't listening it, so I don't know. Was it the bad song or what? Thank you for this whole free learning. Amir, you're welcome, man. This is why I love coming to your stream. Free game. Okay.
loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes.
Hour and daily flipping. Yeah, the NYSE open. Let's see.
Telling me you feel fine. Never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, don't need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you. I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me I don't need no one, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body.
What a NYSE opening. Crazy opening.
May have to wait till 10 a.m.
Greetings, RMKTA. Except that thing, if you stay with minions, what except? What are you asking? Accepting what? I don't get your question. Start pushing it down. If this 15 close bearish and look for some sells here, daily is flipping again, 4-hour is starts pushing down. If this hourly gives a nice closure here or closure below 43.40s, that would be the same cells which we took on the Asian session. If you stay with millionaires, oh yeah, so yeah, I know what you're saying now. So yes, your surroundings, your friends, where you spend your time, it really matters. If your surrounding is with the broke people, your mentality will be the same, right? And you always gonna blame others instead of start working on you. You're gonna always start blaming other things, start blaming the government, start blaming your family, start blaming your life, start blaming your situation, right? Why everything bad happens to you. But if you sit with successful people, hard workers, smart people, right, then your mentality is going to be very changed and different.
like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know I lose control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me, 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 next to me. I lose.
'Now it starts pushing up. In 5 minutes, it push up around 170 ticks. It shows ton of volume incoming. But is it gonna play with us? Or is it gonna give us some real messages?
Problem is, I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that real full moon, black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is, when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin and your teeth can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please. Oh, I lose control
Is
when you're not next to me.
because of the news.
I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control
It's not because
when
of
you're not
anything.
next to me.
It is just the NYSE.
Yeah, you're breaking
The news you're talking about, that seminar was on, and market gives no reaction to that. It is just,
when you're not here with me.
that was a good spike.
I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control
100 ticks, back.
when you're not here with me.
Hello की खबर?
Breaking my heart, baby. You
कोई खबर नहीं. Okay, no news. The price is just blowing some accounts. That's it. See this? This is not ideal to trade for. I don't know about you, but not for me. See this wick? You know how many accounts blown on this wick? 200 ticks. In what? Like 2 minutes? Is this closes back in the range potentially a good shots? No. No, Jay. Right now, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Let it do its thing, because there's no clear indication, right? The way it pushed up, right? And now it's pushing down. All these traders who get into the FOMO and starts buying here, now they're scratching their head, like what just happened, right? And this is how market manipulates you. So it's giving me zero confirmation here, either buys or sells side, the way it's pushing. It's not worth it for me to blow my account here.
That is a huge wick.
Huge wick and huge rejection as well. So people who take the sell position, they basically blow their account. And the people who also buy from here, they also in the negative. So
My goodness.
that's why you need to learn no position in the market is also a position. If you're just looking at the price and it's pushing up and down so quickly and you are itching to get into it, you are like, I want to get in, then you're gonna stuck, you're gonna hurt yourself very bad. That's why you need to take your decisions patiently, because once we take the buy or sell here, then this thing is shut off. Then we need to then our emotion starts kicking in, and that's where we're gonna make big mistakes. Okay, 4 hours, about to close in 6 minutes. Meow, meow. Experience is very, very good. Why you laughing after that statement? Just made $500 from that way. Very nice. NQ is jumping too. NQ is pushing up though. Oh yeah, in the lower time, yeah. It's not dumping as if it's just moving, if you wanna say that. You can say gold is dumping, I mean, but if you see, it's still right here where it's, look at the 15 where this starts from, right? And if you see this wick, 300 takes in literally what, like 5 minutes. Now chat, tell me how many of you blow your accounts here. I just lost 1200. Jared, come on man. FOMO trade, I assume, right? Gold came back where it was. Yes, Asif, yes. You know, there is a saying in Punjabi. It says, Jithe di khoti othe ankhloti. If you understand the Punjabi. So it means we are right back where we started. So. Back in the ring, I know. Yeah, I do a little Punjabi. You speak Punjabi, JVC? You know what I'm saying, right? So. Oof. Buyers. This full wick. Okay. whoever buys here this full wig in basically buyers and the wig and the whole, and now this patience, guys, patience. Market is going nowhere, it's here. Breaking, understand what I'm trying to say here. We're breaking it. Take out, yes, break it. For-hour closure in 2 minutes. Let's see if the volumes stays the same way, then we're gonna find a good closure. But still it's messy. News about that's what it is. Positive results. So if the results were positive, why the heck it needs to go up to start pushing down? If you're smart enough, you will understand this. If you're smart enough. If you're not, that was the move for the session. It looks like it. If it starts ranging again, man, we are not the market makers, right? What can we do here?
Come on, hold my hand. I wanna contact the living. Not sure I understand this road I've been given. I sit and talk to God, and He just laughs at my plans. My head speaks a language I don't understand.
Existing this data used to be the orange folder. This one, this one. But now it is the yellow. So both news looks like positive impact on US dollar. It's ranges. I'm calling TB. If it ranges, I'm calling TBT. Why?
I don't wanna die.
And you're gonna ask one question to TB. You know that. Now news coming visiting home sales for USD.
I'm preparing to leave.
Yeah, that news that used to be orange folder news. I don't know why they put it in.
That's why I keep on running.
Yeah, just one question, Rick.
Before I've arrived,
and you know that question.
I can see myself coming. I just wanna feel love, feel the home that I live in. 'Cause I got too much life.
So guys, be honest in the chat. How many of you take that buy or sell with this move? I just want to know. I just want to see how many of you take that risk. I know Jared, he lose 1200. What about others? I'm still waiting. Okay, waiting 300 plus. Okay, me. Okay, Amir said no entry. All right. K, no. Why not K? Come on. J Money, no entry. All right, J Money, man, come on. I think the push was due to some Iran news, but just came right before that. There was no confirmation, so what did they take it? You know, breaking. I think K's like, yeah. Yeah, breaking. So K wants to continue the yesterday's talk. Breaking. K was asking about recovery. We need to explain recovery. Okay, we will only explain if you come to the call. And we also gonna call break-in, so he will explain it to you. Mark, who's Mark? Mark is the second guy who also do recovery work. Getting on a call. Well, if you want to know about recovery, you should, right? Recovery and bubblegum. No, today we have new product. Do you know? Do you guys know about figs? Let me show you. So this is what it is, what I'm eating right now. So instead of chewing gum, no, I said figs. Figs. Dry fig, yes. Pagal Munda. Oh, Pagal Munda. I will skip the bubblegum steps. जी बिल्कुल. So we're gonna do the new experiment today. Instead of bubble gum, we can use some figs here and see if it's stick there or not. Guys, bye. Is Mark still here? Not sure. Maybe when we start the giveaway. Speaking of giveaway, guys, 100k likes and giveaway. No 100k likes, no giveaway. So guys, tell me one thing, okay? Look at it, Breaking. Look it closely. Look it very closely. What you think? What you think? Okay, so I have a question from the chat. What's better? Stay out from the trade, stay out from the market and just observe the price, or get in, hit your SL, be in a drawdown, or lose the money, or blow the account? What is better? I will stop eating pizza. Protect your capital. Okay, yes, absolutely. I want to know what others think, like everybody in the chat. What do you guys think? I mean, if you want, we can move to the 1 minute or 5 minute, and we can trade multiple trades, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. But in the long run, you need to see, is it worth it? Is it worth it? One move can blow your money away, yes. Blow your money or blow your account as well. Okay. Better for watching the market, because right now you are all, I know you're like, oh, I'm not making anything, I'm not trading and all that. Trust me, I am more itching than you to get into the trade. But if I don't see a setup, why would I take it? because I know during this kind of price action, like there is 50-60%, you're gonna blow it. You're gonna lose the money because the market is very uncertain right now. Protect capital, absolutely. And the more you watch without trading, you're gonna learn even more, because once you're in the trade, then you just too focus on that specific trade. You don't see the bigger picture. Yes sir, you're always right. आप क्या खा रहे हैं? फिक्स जी, फिक्स खा रहे हैं. क्या ये अच्छा है? बहुत अच्छा. It is very good. Only if you're married. Price is pushing down, 4 hour going down. It is right exact that zone where we took the previous short position right here, right? So we need to see if it gives a closure, nice closure below this. This is very stubborn zone, guys. This thing you see here, this one, all we need is just a nice closure below. Full pot. Why? Same thing, clean range on the left, right, break the structure, break this range, and the price is ranging since what, not 2 session, Asian session and previous NY session as well. So almost previous 2 sessions the prices just keep ranging in this box. So the longer it range, the bigger the break. Take out my sniper again. The same setup, the same scenario, everything is the same. We need to wait for the closure now. Okay, let's wait for the closure. The snipers are out. All we need to do is right now, we need to wait for the closure, and then we're gonna start our war. Shooting the range. Guess I see you in my dreams. I fucked up all the T3. So all the buyers, if it gives a closure below, you need to be careful. I am not in any trade yet. I know it's pushing down and it is playing with your emotions, but you need to wait for the confirmation. This 30 is about to close in 12 minutes, also this 15. Mज़े से खाएं, yeah, मज़े से खाएं. Okay, the daily is basically breaking its lows. Volume is still here in the market. Before dropping, wait for the next one. Wait for the next one. Wait for the next one. Yeah, if it closed like this is a very good closure, guys. The next one, yeah. Let me write it because most people, I mean, I already write it, so closures. This song is dedicated to K from Breaking. Right, Breaking? Okay, this is the perfect closure. If this happens with some lower wick, so we can enjoy some profit.
Baby, I know that you like me. You my future wifey.
Cool.
So boy, tell them, yeah, you can be my
Hello.
bunny. I can be your Clyde. You can be my wife. Text me, call me. I need you in my life. Yeah, all day, every day I need you. And every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you, I miss you. I really wanna kiss you, but I can't. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now. So baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me
What is
through
the
the
best
phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later. That little Chico behind
stuck in the range, then this idea, it's not valid then. It must need to give a closure below. And on the next one, flip of the next one, we can get in with the permission of break-in, of course, and K and KT. And you give way without without 100k likes. No giveaway without 100k likes.
No giveaway. Just for the likes.
Sean and Q. Okay, Jay. And thanks for the beautiful gifts, Elizabeth.
What's up, Nicky? This is DJ Match.
You took my heart and you held it in your mouth. With a word, all my love came rushing up. Every whisper, it's the worst. Emptied out by a single
Before getting into any buy or sell, look what's prices doing right now. It push up, go up, and boom, gives a big rejection, fake out, starts pushing. Now it's going down and go down, the same thing. If you compare this after 12, it push down, press the lower wick, then boom, back in the position. So before hitting any buy or sell button, watch the price, what is happening. And that's why we wait for closures. You see why I write some closures? Because if it didn't give a closure below, then there's no entry for us, right? And that saves you a lot of money. Because let's say if we take the cells without the closures, right now what's happening to your account? If you're in the sell position, you're in a big product, or maybe it hit your asset. Yes. Cool Chris, good morning. Good morning, Chris. Yeah, the good thing about Cool Chris is whenever he comes, before even saying hi, he joined my fan club. He sent the card, and then I'm here. Yesterday was something similar but on a smaller scale, kinda. But when you see this like bigger weeks, ups and downs, like it's better to stay away.
To the crossroads, he sat down, kept his eyes closed. Well, everyone has a price, child, and what it cost him.
Okay, new 30 open. Can we take the short position here? The stops, where should the stops should be? That's too big. If you put the stops at this current 30 or 15, the stops is lower, but it's going to be very risky because it might just go a little bit up and then go up and then start falling. One thing for sure, I know that it will drop. Eventually it will come to 43.15 zone right here. But the only issue right now is the entry. Where should we take the entry? Should we wait for this hourly closure now? Because if you see this 30 and 15 closure, it closed a little bit above that zone. But I was expecting a closure somewhere around here, but it closed above here. So that's the tricky part in this zone right now. Stay away from it. So really it's worth the wait. Yes, it's absolutely worth the wait, but if the volume dries up after that,
This is DJ
let's see.
Barbara Streisand. Barbara Streisand.
give it a shot for the sales. I made 600 total. Those risks feeling risky today. Yes, you're the Tessa, the firefighter. You must take the risk. You must. It's too risky. Better out of here. Yeah, but the issue with if you wait for the hourly closure, you might gonna miss this hormone. You might gonna miss almost 100 or 200 drop. It can just literally drop without you. That's the also risk side if you're willing to lose that. But it is a nice amp. Anybody name starts with the amp in the chat?
I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart.
Now my artist.
I don't care if you do. 'Cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you.
Do you guys know I do sketch? I have a sketching. You guys want to see my sketching? I used to do that few years ago. Not
This is
anymore.
DJ Match.
You make me feel like a what? What do you mean? I sketch too, or at least I used to. Show us some sketch too. Yeah.
It's
I need to
complicated.
see if
It
my
always
sketchbook is
is.
here.
That's just the way it
Let me see.
goes. Feels like I waited so long for this. I wonder
Yeah, the
if
issue with the
it
hourly closure,
shows.
man, you might
Head under
miss this
water,
one.
now I can't
If
breathe.
you're willing to do
It
that,
never
I
felt
have
so good.
sketches.
'Cause I can feel it coming over me. I
Just
wouldn't
not
stop
like-
it if I could. When I take over, you know you can't deny. When I take over, 'cause something's here tonight. Give me a reason, I gotta know. Do you feel it too? Can't you see me here on overload? And this time I blame you. Looking out for you to hold my hand. It feels like I could fall. Now love me right, like I know you can. We could lose it all, but love takes over. You know you can't deny when love takes over.
Hey baby girl, what you doing tonight? I wanna see what you got in store. Hey baby, giving it your all. see if you can give me some more. Hey, baby, you can be my girl, I can be your man, and we can pump this jam however you want. Hey, baby, pump it from the side, pump it upside down, or we can pump it from the back and the front. Hey, baby.
Zora, is now the music is fine? No. This was few years back. When I was an unprofitable trader. Look at this. This is the first one. This is for K, of course. Cute.
What's up, Lippy? This is DJ Match.
Good. I think I should put this on my logo. That's Kitty Perry's dog. A wolf dog. This is breaking. You can do for fun after trade, yeah. That's just Reem. He's laughing, so that's just Reem. With big ears. What else? After that, I done. Yours. Yeah, I lost my other book, so that's it for you guys. That's it for today. And you see, if you wait for this hourly, you're gonna miss this whole move. This whole. Look at the 15 and 30. The same, you know, this same exact move I was expecting in the Asian session. Right here, right here, right here. This move for the drop, right? But it happens right here instead of here. Here. It is what it is. Mashallah, draw me. I don't even know how you look like, so how can you draw? Anybody get into these sell positions or no? Or you already blow your accounts? You already have in my pin? Where? Do you have on your profile? I see nothing. It's empty. It's empty. I mean, since 43:51. Hmm. Hmm. Was too nervous. Yeah. That drop is literally 300 ticks. 300 ticks. But in NY session today, the volume is good. Asian and London session, no volume. NY session today, it was great. Good session. What a drop. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What a drop. Oh, Teza is sending his sketches as well. Teza, can I show on the live or no? From okay, so guys, these are the Teza's sketches. I don't know if this is okay. We have this. So, ooh, a fancy, and that's just Reem, right? That's his symbol. Ooh. Teza in deep thoughts. Who is this? Teza, who's this? Who are you talking with? Oh. Falling angel? Very nice. Impressive. You are way better than meaning behind them, of course. AI versus human. Nice artist. He was better than you for sure. Yes. He is. He is. W Sport has a very nice. And for me, yeah. 2 years ago now, need to get back into yeah, I think I also drew like maybe 3 years ago. Those are very old ones. Breaking. Now K is asking. Yeah, breaking can okay, so breaking can, you ask for your sketch, breaking can draw it for you. Yes, of course. He only draw girl sketches, so If you're interested, then
Bring it back.
Hey, hey, I can't forget you, baby. I think about your AD. I tried to masquerade the pain. That's why I'm next to the roof. Dancing to the groove. But there is no.
I told you that you have to say something
That heat between you and I. Free to the moment.
like left forward, so later.
But there is no.
I make up. How can you break in? How you gonna sketch drawing recovery in drawing? That's interesting.
Welcome to Central Bay.
I will draw a kid.
Get fresh, gotta stay fly. Get the jet, I gotta stay high. High up like a la la la. Ain't nothing here that my money can't buy. Dolce, Gucci, and Louis V. Yak so big I could live in the sea. You for real? You can't see me in these zero frames. The whole world changed. Mad bitches, so much broad. Feeling like when I wanna fuck them all. Get mad braid in my very fast car. Ferrari V12 Maranello on my arm. Ladies can't resist.
Who is not
the charm.
interested?
Haters, kiss the ring of the dawn. And we do this all day. Welcome to Central Bay.
Very good reward. Reward for life. But K, you already have 2 rewards, right? You said you have 2.
You shout it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much.
This 15, oh, the previous 15 dropped almost 400 points. And that should be ours. That should be ours. But the issue with that sell position, our stops are around here. That's like more than 200 250 days. I don't want to miss that big thing. If it close maybe 20-30 ticks more down this candle, then I would definitely get into the sell position. But the reason I didn't take it, you know,
The way you act, give me something. I need your love, I need your
Searching for you, babe.
Cause I never see you out. Are you hiding from me? Yeah. Somewhere in the
We need one more. Hey, thanks. All adds up. Everything adds up, right?
Open up your eyes and watch the sunrise. One point me have to make clear. Love I go spread on the world, you know. Me love ya comes out of devotion to rule ya, spread to the world. In Trench Town, I'm on my mission, where we pray that they straight away all the nation. Let me be the love that comes from the
Now we can say the move for the NY session is officially done. That's my next couple of days will be better.
Put it on my life, baby. I'm gonna give you a ride, baby. Can't promise tomorrow, but I promise tonight. Excuse me, and I might drink a little more than I should tonight. And I might take you home with me if I could tonight. And baby, I'ma make you feel so good tonight. Cause we might not get tomorrow.
No other way to say I need you every day. And now I'm gonna change my ways. And it's a part of you I never wanna lose. I'll do anything you want me to. Like any other day, I know I'll find a way. And if ever I'm alone, you'll say I'll be thinking
It is sleeping right now. She's like on her chair. Now 15 is gonna close up back in this zone and then starts pushing it up and Spider-Man? Who's that? Oh, that's Spider-Man. This one? Quietly listening to the flips, right? So you're waiting for us to be wrong, right? And then you show up. Look, I told you guys. It needs to go to this zone, this level, blah blah. I'm just scrolling. Okay. Last grade 400 days.
What you wanna do, baby? Where you wanna go? I'll take you to the moon, baby. I'll take you to the floor. I treat you like a real lady, no matter where you go. Just give me some time, baby. Cause you know, even when we're apart, I know my heart is still there with you. 5 more hours till the night is ours, and I'm back with you.
Price is going nowhere. It's done. The move is done. No matter if you sit here 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, nothing's gonna happen now. The move for the annual session is basically done. So but for the next days, if this daily, let's say, starts pushing down, gives a closure below this zone, right? So next few days we can expect a drop down right here. So that's a good indication for us, especially for tomorrow CPI. That's going to be wild. Make sure you show up tomorrow CPI news. That's going to be very, very good. You will watch us live how we take advantage of the news, the fundamentals, and implementing the. See you later, everyone. Okay, Mark. Bye bye. We're about to do the giveaway, but you're going, so it's even better for us. So, take care. Of
When I walk on by, girls be looking like Debbie Fly. I pick to the beat, walking down the street and my new the freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out
No
control.
way.
It's Red Bull with the big ass bra.
Bye,
And like
Mark.
Bruce Lee,
Bye
run back
bye.
the cloud, yeah.
See you later. Later, alligator.
I work out.
I think that was the move for the day, I think.
Huh?
I said, I think that was the move for the day.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
You still alive?
Oh, I'm still alive. Yeah, I'm still here.
You were working or you're sleeping?
I was working.
Okay. Yeah, that was the move for the day. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I think it's gonna slow down now. I think volume's gonna readjust itself. That was how many ticks?
Around 400.
Yeah. It may continue to drop, but it already hit all
Yeah,
of the levels for today.
yeah, but if it starts even pushing down, it is basically creating the way for the upcoming session. So if you see that
Mm-hmm.
daily as compared to the previous this week daily closure, if this close somewhere around below the zone, then yes, we have another drop upcoming towards 42.
42.55.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. But you need volume, so there isn't any really.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about the next session. So maybe Asian session today's or tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow and my session we have CPI, so that's going to be wild as well. So for
Oh
sure,
yeah.
yeah.
Everybody get ready to make $20,000 tomorrow.
Oh yeah, load it up, guys. Load
A lot of
all
money.
your accounts. Day one, 20,000, and done for the day.
Done for the month.
Done for the month. Yes, or maybe year, because most people, I don't think they make 20K in a month. So maybe for 6 months you don't have to trade. So show up tomorrow, make 20 Gs, and come back after 6 months. Like TBD, TBD, he used to live on streets. Now he becomes profitable trader with the AFX strategy, and now he have his own house, cars, and everything. And after he blow everything, then he come back. You see, you witnessed this yesterday. Uh, when I video call him, he was in the stadium watching, enjoying the match. So
Mm.
yeah. Now he is in the trip. Yep, he is. He turned to Jeff Bezos. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna drop. I have to make my son some breakfast.
All
He just
right.
woke
All
up.
right.
Okay.
Take care. Take care. See you
Take
in
care,
Asia.
guys.
Bye. Bye. Mhm.
I work out when I walk.
Work out.
This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it, show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it.
Giveaway. Okay, we can do the giveaway, but
I'm sexy and
I said 100K likes and we never reached it there. So plus the market, it's not giving some ideal setup. Now that Rizwan and Mark are gone, let's see. Let's double check. Let's see, because they are very sneaky. As soon as we're gonna start the giveaway, they're gonna be here.
Give me that Christmas style. Ladies love my style. At my table getting wild. Get them bottles poppin'. We get that drippin', that drop out. Now give me 2 more bottles, cause you know it don't stop.
So yeah, guys, loaded up your accounts for tomorrow. I mean, today Asian session we can expect low volume. I've been here. Who are you? Are you the Queen Pips? Yeah, they are not here. Was in a meeting. Okay. So yeah, guys, today Asian session, it's again going to be slow because tomorrow we have upcoming CPI and ton of volume gonna come in the market tomorrow. But you should be loaded up for tomorrow.
Whoa, I've been drinking too much for sure. I got a hangover. Whoa, I got an empty cup. Pour me some more, so I can go until they close up, and I can drink until.
But break-in, we didn't hit our life target. So why would we should give them the giveaway if they don't do the hard work, you know. Okay, we can do something else for the giveaway. We need to think something else. If they can, just tap the screen for the giveaway. This type of thing. NBKG7912. Are you in the chat? Are you in the chat? Let me know. Are you in the live? Come on TikTok live. Come on TikTok live, I will hand you back.
PB, who's people Bryson? 2 years ago, I renewed my license. Anyway, why not start my verse like that? You can suck on, you can suck on a horse. No, I don't endorse that. Pause that, abort that. Just the other day, I go to London. Saw that kids in the street, paparazzi, all that. Hey, what can I say? Coming through the club, all the girls in the back of me. This ain't football, why the fuck they tryna tackle me? Really? I peep dude at the bar like Billy, looking like he want a good time like Billy. Said he got a friend from my homegirl Lily. I could skip around and get along with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. You're alright, but I'm your darling to enjoy the party. Don't get too excited, 'cause that's all you'll get from me. Hey, yeah, I think you're cute, but really you should know. I just came to say hello.
Baby, you a rockstar. Dale veterana que tú sabes más de la cuenta. No te hagas. Teach me, baby. I better yes. Freak me, baby. Yes, yes. I'm freaky, baby. I'ma make sure that your peach feels peachy, baby. No bullshit, bro.
Check Discord.
Sexy, classy, sassy, powerful, yes. They love to get a little nasty.
Yeah. Yes. So you did catch that drop, huh? Fire, fire, fire. Even if you make like maybe 50 to 100 ticks, that's more than I didn't use candle training to listen. Yeah. Use candles. And now you're gonna see the volume is gonna dry out, and it's gonna start ranging here. Only 6 contracts, right? Break-in, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But 6 contracts, you might be make like 2 G's from this. To make normally I do 10. Ooh, 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 ooh. anywhere from 6 to 10. Yeah. On evals, yes, absolutely. Because if you go like 1, 2, like it will take you decades to clear those accounts. That was on the front end. A big risk taker. A big risk taker. Mr. Breaking up all the rules. Well, you need to risk it to take risky rounds. Signal sharing. Oh man, I need some signals. I need some signals. Please help me out. Give me some signals. Break to ask about your TP. It depends. Why are you asking? Signal sharing. Yeah, so Kay, are you here? You remember yesterday I told you this married person? It's a boat or not real, and now it's blocked. Recovery. No more marrieds, blocked forever. Asif, Mary needs some bigger recovery, more than a chingum, something else. Alright guys, I think we should call it a day. Not enough happening in the market. It it is what it is. Oh, and I'm gonna go eat something and we're gonna come back in Asian session. But again, it's going to be slow until tomorrow. So don't expect too much from upcoming Asian session, but yes, definitely that tomorrow New York session is going to be a lot of fireworks. You're gonna see a lot more wicks, something like today, right? Something like this. And Braken is gonna do the full port tomorrow on his all accounts. So before I head off, if you guys have any questions, you can ask now. This is your time. Break those laws, would it not just draw? What do you mean, Jeza? If this daily closure happens something like this or below this one, yes, definitely we can expect some drops in the Asian session. So the new daily when the market open in Asian session, it might go up, create some topic, and on the flip of that, around 8 to 9 p.m. we can get some selling opportunities there. But again, during this weekend we discussed this about this weekly when we mark this zones that the market is still in the bearish market. You see it's pushing down. So we're not sure is it gonna start pushing down, maybe respecting this zone, and then start pushing it up. But overall the market momentum for the past few days and week, it's the bearish overall, right? But if this, let's say somehow this daily candle starts pushing up, flips and close like doji, then yes, that's a clear indication that okay, the market is officially done from the downside and now it's going to start pushing up. So today's daily is also important because of tomorrow. Anybody else have questions? Okay, see you later. Didn't take any trade today, was distracted. Yeah, Queen Pips, that's absolutely fine. If you are distracted, if you not sure what's happening in the market, the best practice to do is just stay away and observe the price. Trust me, it's way better than getting into in any trade which you're not sure and you might end up blowing it or lose that account. By the way, also if you wanna book the 101 on the premium members, right? That's unlimited for the premium members. That's open from 17th. Okay, so if you wanna book those spots right now. I think you can do it. Price is starts pushing it down, the daily is breaking its lows. I want to take it, but it already dropped a lot. I think I should call it a day. I'm gonna come back in the Asian session. So this session I didn't take any trade. I want to take it, but just few pips, maybe 10-20 ticks. I missed the whole 10-20 ticks. It's painful, I know, but it is what it is. Sometimes yes, you are, most of the time you are right about the direction, but for the execution, yeah, it's not like I hesitate or anything like that. It just didn't give me the closure, my ideal closure. If you see this 15 or 30, right, I said if it gives me a closure somewhere around here, that's when I'm gonna get into the next one. But look at the closure. And then this one, I was waiting for it to push up a little bit more to create the topic, and then because if I get into this sell position right here, right, my stops should be around more than 200 ticks. That's too much. That was too much. That's the main reason I didn't take it. But I post on the Discord like this is the plan, this is the idea, right? Right before this beautiful sketches from Trailer the Firefighter, right? So at that point the price was pushing down. We're waiting for the closure, but the closures happened somewhere around I think, inside. So these small details, they will help you in the long run. Alright guys, take care. I'm gonna head off. I'm gonna see you in the Asian session. Okay, if you still have any questions, come to the Discord, ask. Everybody help you, right? Asif is trying to explain this guy, Mr. NDK, right? What are the different sizes, like types of the loans? So everybody will try to help you out. Nice day, man. Thank you. All right, take care, man. How much are the 101? There is, you don't have to pay anything if you're in the premium. Everything is included. The 101s, the weekly sessions, the course videos, like everything. It's in the one subscription. So you don't have to pay for. I know most people, they charge 101 sessions extra and all that. Everything is in one thing. Whenever the reason for the 101 is so like everybody is dealing with the different issues, right? And most people they don't want to discuss those things publicly, right, or in the group. So that's where the 101s get in, right? And let's say if you need more help, like one session you're like, okay, you're not satisfied, you can, whenever you see the slot open, you can book that 101 again through the Discord. Okay. Alright guys, take care, enjoy the gold drop. If you take it, TP hit. Alright, very nice. Sorry, very nice. Yeah. Well, thanks for the signal. Yeah, I know most of you just come for the signal. You take it and you're like, okay, bye. Okay, bye. Alright guys, take care. I'm gonna see you in the Asian session, alright? Trade safe. Always. I actually like your life today. Alright, okay, bye. No recovery for you, Kay. See you later. Alright, bye bye. DM me? Okay. Alright, DM me. Alright, take care. See ya. Alright, YouTube chat, YouTube guys. Don't drink and drive. Drink and drive.